Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to use slicers in Power BI. So within search box, first I will type Power BI. Now see it is showing icon for Power BI tool. So just double click on it. Now friends, if you have not installed Power BI on your machine, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Now here it is showing blank report. So just click on this. Now, friends, as we know within Power BI, slicers are nothing but the controls which are used to filter the data and display on report. Okay, for that purpose, we need to load the data. So, I will use this sample data. So, just click on this sample data. Here, you have to click on this use sample data, then load sample data. Now, here I want to add this table financiers. So, just I will select and I will click on this load option. Okay. Now within this data session, it is showing this table is added with these columns. To apply slicers, we'll create one table. So just you have to click on this table. See, table is added here. And within this table, I want to add different columns. So just I will select this table, and after this, I will add the required columns. So just I will select the columns. First column will be month name. Now see, here within table this column is added. Again I want to add next column as a country. So I have selected it and it's get added into the table. Now next I want to use as the sum of cells. So I will select sum of cells. This column will get added within the table. At the last I want to add name of the products. So just product I will select and it will get added here. This is product column is added. Now our table is ready. Now we can use the slicers. To add the slicers, just you have to select the option to add the slicers. Again here you will get icon for the slicers. So just you have to select it. The slicer will get added here. And I want to add slicers for product and country. So select this slicer and just select the required column. So I want it for product. So I have selected product. Now see friends, this slicer, within this slicer, you can get values in the form of vertical list or in the form of tiles, or you can use drag and drop box also. Now see, whatever format we have right now, it is a form, it is vertical list. So I can change that form. For that purpose, you have to select this slicer. After that, you have to select format option, format visuals. Then you have to select slicer setting. Now see here, style you have is a vertical list. If I change it to tiles, now see these values comes in the form of tiles. If I want to use it as a drop down box, if I want to use it as drop down box, I will select drop down. So you will get arrow here. Just you have to drop down the list and you have to select required value. So here I want to keep this as a in the form of tiles. So I will select slicer setting and in the form of tiles. Suppose I want to add one more slicer. For that again I will select the option as a slicer. Here slicer is added and I want to take this slicer for the country purpose. So I will select the column as country. Now see, slicer is added here. Now friends, you can observe as I'm selecting this different product and different countries, the sum of cell is changing here. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can calculate sum of cells. Okay. And now we'll see how to use apply all slicers and clear all slicers. For that purpose, we need to create button. So select this insert tab. Within that buttons, you will get option. So first we will see how to use this clear all slicers. So just click this, you will get clear all slicers button. Now see friends, here action is on for this button. Okay, and you can change its a style. For that, just you have to select this style, and you can increase the font. You can change format. Suppose I want as bold, italic, and underlined. Like this, I will use the format. And if I want to use this button, that is a clear all slices, just you have to select the control. You have to press the control. Then you have to click here on this button. Then only it will get applied. Now see, it has cleared the slices. Okay, once again I will show you. Suppose I have selected this product and country as a France. Okay, and if I am pressing this button by using control plus clear all slices. Now see, slicer is clear and this value also gets changed. In this way I can use this clear all slices. I will see how to use apply all slices. So again you have to select insert buttons and select apply all slices. Okay, now button is added here. It is same like clear all slices. Process is same like that. Again its action is on. Okay, if you want to change its style, you can change it. You can make it bold. You can change its font size. Okay, again I want it as bold, italic, and underline. Now see, I want to apply the slices. Then I will select the required values. Now see here, it is showing the status not yet applied. Once I press here control and this apply all slices, then this value will get, some of cells will get changed. Miss, the slices are applied. Once again I will show you. Suppose I have selected another country, another product, and country also. It is showing both the places not yet applied, not yet applied. So once I click on this by using control and this button, apply all slices, see value is changed here. You can observe here value is checking. So in this way, you can use the clear all slices and apply all slices button. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.